Welcome, and now I am going to show you the app. This one is the Hosn app for PCR details. You can see this one is the green pass. So you have to be careful. Nowadays the PCR expiry date is 7 days. After 7 days this green pass will be gray and there will be the message that your PCR has expired. Go to the PCR. Just be ready and be vigilant, and these are the details as well. I hope you like this one, and this one is the detail for Hosn app. Just be careful. Nowadays, due to Omicron variant, the rules are very strict here in UAE. You have to take care of yourself and update your PCR tests within week. At least once a week you have to go for PCR. After 6 days you have to go for your PCR, otherwise there will be the fine. And this one is for everyone, for our health and safety, and to protect our community due to this new Omicron variant. I hope you like this video. So this one Hosn app, and this app is available both iOS and Android users, smartphones. If you have Android smartphone, if you have the Apple iPhone, so this one is available because this one is the mandatory in UAE if you are living here. Okay, I hope you like this video. Kindly send us a feedback. Take care of yourself and others. See you in the next video. Bye bye.